Hey folks, Bobby here today. Hey guys, today I got a review on a product that a company sent me. Wild Badger sent me this little electric lawnmower. Bring the camera right on over here. They wanted me to talk about this thing and review it for you folks. So here we go. This is the Wild Badger Power walk behind 14-inch lawnmower. It does have a 3-year residential warranty, okay? So pretty cool little product. Don't think you can really go wrong with that. First of all, lift the little hood here. Here is your 40-volt battery that comes with it, lithium-ion battery, and it comes with a charger to keep that charged up, okay? Real easy to remove, real easy to install and snap right in place. Okay, back here at the back, we have a bagger. I'm gonna go ahead, you lift the little lid and you simply just lift the bagger off, and you can check that out right there. Pretty nice little bagger, mesh bag. Real easy to reinstall and lower the lid right back down. Now here's what I really like about this thing, folks. This one lever height adjustment. So this one lever here, you can push and lift up. You got 5 different positions. That's your highest one right there. And it lifts the whole mower at one time. I think that's really cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and lower it back down. You see how easy that was? I'm gonna flip it upside down here. I want us to take a look underneath the unit as well. You have a blade right here, a 14-inch blade. Looks like it's pretty easy to remove in case you want to sharpen your blade. And that's all there's really needs to see underneath here. Let's lift it back up. And we're going to take this outside, folks. And me and Nathaniel are probably gonna take turns. We're gonna see how long this battery will last. It's fully charged right now. We're gonna do a demonstration. And we're going to bag the clippings that we get, and we're going to see how big of an area that we can mow in our backyard before the battery runs down, okay? So stay tuned for that. Okay, before we go out and do the demo, I want to show you how easily this thing operates. All you do is push the button down and pull the lever over, and it will start up. And then you can let go of the button. And to cut it off, all you do is let go of the handle. Now let's go out there and get some mowing done. Okay guys, let's get started here. I'm gonna go ahead and crank her up. And we're just gonna mow a big old square here. Okay, actually so far, it looks like it's doing a pretty good job. It's actually cutting it. We're definitely cutting lower than what we cut our yard yesterday with our big mower. So I'm liking this. We're gonna go and put this in a time lapse and tell you how long it takes before the battery runs dead. Folks, it looks like the Wild Badger is doing a wonderful job. Daniel's almost done with this big old square that we're doing. And we'll go find another area of the yard to mow here in just a moment. Okay folks, I want to show you how to empty this thing right quick. As you can see, we got some grass filled up there pretty quick. Now I do want to show you something that first when I was mowing, I didn't realize it, but it has a block off in here, okay? This is your actual mulch attachment. And I'm going to show you real quick where it goes in here. Bring the camera right on around. This actually, well, now that we have so much grass in here, we're going to have to move all the grass out of the way. But if you do want to mulch your yard instead of bag your yard, this little attachment fits right in here just like so, okay? And that keeps everything within the mower itself and just helps it mulch up. Just wanted to show you that right quick. Let's go empty this thing and keep on mowing. All right, guys. Hey, I think we're going to stop the video right there, and I'm going to give you my final thoughts on this product, okay? Now, real quickly, let's take a look at the battery life on this thing, because I told you I was going to run it totally dead, but I forgot I don't really have to do that. It does have an indicator here. You can push the button, and as you can see, we got 2 bars out of 4, so we're about half full still, okay? Now, I think this is a pretty good little mower for someone who has a smaller yard, like some of these newer housing developments where you have like a 1/8 acre or smaller. This would be ideal, maybe all you would ever need, okay? Or if you're an older person that just wants something lightweight to push around to try to mow your yard, this would be great, okay? I'm very happy with it. I like the little bagging system. I think we may use this probably on our front yard near our ditch where we can't get our big mowers in there. So it would be a good addition to our inventory of mowers. I want to thank you for stopping by today. I hope this video helps you make a decision on this product. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.